It once snowed in July across America and Europe, and it wasn't because of some freak weather, it was the aftermath of a volcanic explosion on the other side of the world. In 1815, Mount Tambora in Indonesia erupted with such force that it blasted ash and gases high into the atmosphere, blocking out sunlight for months. As a result, global temperatures plunged. Crops failed, lakes froze in summer, and people wore winter coats in what should have been the hottest months of the year. The world was thrown into chaos as food became scarce and prices soared. This bizarre period became known as the year without a summer. Few could understand why the seasons had turned upside down, but the culprit was a volcano thousands of miles away. Artists painted gloomy landscapes, and writers like Mary Shelley, stuck indoors by the unending cold, dreamed up dark stories. Frankenstein was born in that strange, sunless summer.